Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've opened your document, now make the canvas editable. Unlock the background layer or add a new blank layer below your artwork so changes don't obscure content. Once done, create a new fill layer solid color. That gives you a non-destructive background you can edit anytime. Use a fill layer instead of painting directly so you can change color later. Make sure the fill layer sits under your visible elements. That ordering controls what the viewer sees first. Now refine the look by selecting the fill layer and opening the color picker. Pick a hue that supports your image contrast. You can type HSB, RGB, or hex values for accuracy, which helps match brand colors or a photo palette. Next, tweak opacity and blending modes like multiply or overlay to integrate the background with foreground elements. If you need selective background changes, add a layer mask and paint with black to hide or white to reveal. This keeps edits flexible and reversible. To finish, export your file using Export As or Save for Web to preserve color and size. If you plan further filters, convert the fill layer to a smart object or rasterize only when required. Make sure to save a PSD copy so you retain the editable fill layer. If the background color doesn't appear, check that the fill layer isn't locked, covered by a higher layer, or clipped to another layer. Unlocking, reordering, or disabling clipping will usually resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.